Welcome to our video on the 5 best PLC courses available on Udemy. Whether you're a beginner looking to enter the world of industrial automation or an experienced professional aiming to enhance your skills, these courses offer valuable knowledge and practical insights. Note that course links are available in the video description. Let's jump right in. First on our list is PLC Fundamentals, Level Y. This course provides a solid foundation in PLC basics, covering topics such as ladder logic programming and troubleshooting techniques. Next, we have From Wire to PLC, a bootcamp in industrial automation. Dive deep into industrial automation with this comprehensive bootcamp, covering everything from design to troubleshooting of PLC-based control systems. Moving on to learn 5 PLCs in a day AB, Siemens, Schneider, Omron, and Delta. In just one day, you'll master the basics of 5 different PLC platforms, including Allen Bradley, Siemens, Schneider Electric, Omron, and Delta. Now let's talk about PLC programming. Learn the basics with Codesys. This hands-on course teaches you essential PLC programming skills using Codesys software, covering program structure, data types, and function blocks. Last but not least, we have factory automation using PLC logics. Explore the principles of factory automation with PLC logic, learning how to design and implement control systems for various industrial applications. In conclusion, these 5 Udemy PLC courses offer a wealth of knowledge and practical skills for anyone interested in industrial automation and PLC programming. Check out the links in the video description below to enroll in these courses and start your journey towards mastering PLCs.